What is going on, you guys? This is yet another vlog, motor vlog. Gorgeous day, Saturday. Excuse me, I have not been as consistent as I would like to be. But anyway, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. It seems to be a busy Saturday. We've got lots of traffic, and yeah, I'm just here trying to make some content for you guys, basically. So, I have had some problems, sadly, and it's not to do with the bike. It's actually to do with my phone. I dropped my phone yesterday out of a Ferrari or Maserati, one of the two, I can't remember. Anyway, I was driving both yesterday, and my phone dropped out of my pocket, and yeah, the screen smashed, which is hugely annoying. So I've got to go now and get the screen sorted. I also have to go to the bank. And what else I need to do? So that's actually it for today. This is just going to be a short random ride. I just thought I'd make a video out of it. If it comes out okay, it comes out okay, I'll post it. If not, then I mean, yeah, no harm done. But anyway, hope you guys have been enjoying the video. The last vid did pretty well, actually. With, what was it, the ride from the O2. I think I spoke about this recently anyway. But anyway, the vid did well. I was quite surprised. I don't know what it was you guys liked so much about it. But like quite a few likes for what I would say is good for myself anyway, and then got quite a good amount of views in a short time, a few days. So I don't know, you guys need to comment and let me know what you liked about the video so much, because whatever you liked about it, I'll create more of that sort of content, because it seemed to have went down pretty well. So my bike just cut out there. Yeah, so sorry guys, I think my my kickstand switch, I need to have that checked. I have a feeling, because at random times I'll ride the bike, right, and it will actually cut out, which I think is quite strange. So, and the other day when my kickstand, obviously it was up, and it said it was up, it said, it didn't, the light came off here saying obviously your kickstand, well, you got a red light here when your kickstand's up, basically. The light was off, right, but I touched it a bit and it made the bike cut out like a tiniest bit. So I don't know if I have a problem with that, which was causing my bike to cut out last time when I was riding it, so I need to find out. So that's one thing I need to, because the bike has cut out a couple of times. Like I might excuse me, gosh, I might put some vids out or some sort of content to show you guys what I'm talking about. But yeah, the bike has cut out a few times, like randomly, and I don't understand. So I mean, if there's any other V4 engine owners who are experiencing similar stuff, please comment below. If you fixed it, let me know what you've done to have it sorted out. Obviously my bike has warranty and the whole shebang, which is a good thing. So yeah, I mean, I can take it and get it sorted out, but I just want to know if anyone else has experienced that. So yeah, so if I was to put this kickstand switch, you can see there it says kickstand down or side stand. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, ambulance. So yeah guys, that's that. But anyway, beautiful Saturday, sunny day. Excuse me, gosh, I'm riding obviously M3. Had to get the bike out. Yeah, I'm just making this vlog. But I mean guys, you guys need to comment what other content you want to see. I have specific videos planned that I need to do. It's just I haven't found time to do it, which is not good. It's not the best excuse. I do have other content planned. I just honestly have not had the time to do the videos. I'm so busy at work, and the hours I work are absolutely crazy. I haven't made the videos, which obviously isn't good for you guys if you want to watch it. So I'm going to try and do better with those. But excuse me, again, this is so annoying. It's like a tickle in my throat. Yeah, those vids, I mean, it's more about this bike in depth. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to give people a better insight what it's like having this bike, not just making random videos. So I promise you guys I'm going to do that. But yeah, at the moment it's just been like a mixture of random stuff, which some's gone down pretty well, so I can't complain. But I want to obviously have a bit more of a structure to it, so that's what I want to try and do for you guys, and give you guys a bit of insight to what it's like actually owning and riding, you know, this bike basically, because this is a lot of bike. It's definitely a lot of bike, I'm not gonna lie to you. Where the hell does that come from? Oh, okay. them go. Heard that from a while. I was thinking, where's this thing going, or where's it coming from? But yeah, excuse me. Gosh. Alright, let me get out of here. So, I was visiting some family this morning in this area, and I thought, do you know what? Let me just come down here and get this sorted out, or see if they can sort it out, should I say? So, that is what I am doing. I am seeing, because someone told me this area has a shop that can do phone screens for a good price, so we're about to find out, I guess. Excuse me guys, sorry for the tickling cough, but it is so annoying. Yeah, we're gonna see anyway if their price is any good and if they can do it and how long it will take, because I can't have this issue with my phone screen. It's gonna drive me insane. So yeah. So we are in, where the hell is this? This is like, well, we'll find out in a minute. But yeah, I believe this is the way I go. Damn, why has my visor got so much glare on it? Do I need to clean it or something? Like when the light hit there, it looked like purpley and all misty. Nah, I need to clean it. That's not cool. The sun was just right in my eyes. I couldn't do anything about it. I believe it's in there. Yeah. I guess this is the place. I have no damn idea. Anyway, guess we're about to find out. So wait, where's, this is Iceland. Kind of confused. Oh, let's see. Back in a bit, guys. Alright you guys, so I got a quote of near £200 for a Galaxy S10 Plus screen. Kind of pricey still. Yeah, I did not want to hear that figure, I'm not gonna lie to you. Gosh, damn it. Kind of annoying. But yeah, so it's either I buy a whole new phone or I just get that specific screen, and I'm just like, I don't know, man. That's expensive either way. Like, I don't really want to throw £200 on a screen. Kind of annoying. Damn, look in the reflection. Kind of funny. Anyway guys, we're off to Bromley now.